And here is your Storm Team 3 forecast. As we go into 2013, we will have that snow on Monday, but we should clear out by the rest of the week. Don't forget to get your complete Storm Team 3 forecast at heartlandconnection.com. And I want to thank Jerry for telling us how much time we had left during weather.
Good to know. It's good to
Good to know. Thank you so much, sir. So we got snow coming, you got sports coming, and I'm going to learn how to say unique during the break.
Unique. Well, it's a hard word, but yeah. Coming up in sports, we're going to preview a big game for our Hawkeye fans. That's coming up next.
From a system in the Pacific Northwest. I'm just watching Jerry.
I'm waiting for him to warn us about something. He's a very unique individual.
He is. That was good. Well, folks, that concludes our Sunday newscast for this evening. For news, weather, and sports from around the Heartland, head on over to heartlandconnection.com. For Cammy and myself, Happy New Year. We'll see you right back here next weekend. Good night.